Greetings and salutations, everyone. Last year, there was a couple of people that had a little bit of trouble printing their application from Google Forms. So I'm going to do a quick video tutorial series on how to print your application and even how to put it into page protectors and how to label your envelope. So this is video number 1. So I'm coming here to the main site or wherever you have the application. I'm going to press this here. Here's the application. As you can see, you put your email in. I'm not going to do the whole thing. And continue to fill it out as need be. Just going to fill in this random stuff for the sake of the video. You can take your time. If you're a teen, Miss and Ms., you have to fill out all of it. If you are a little, there are some portions that you don't have to fill out. Like obviously they don't have a major course of study, all of that. So unless it says teen, Ms. or Miss only, then you have to fill it out, okay? So you're going to say, yes, I paid my fee. I'm not on the waiting list. Yes, I selected, I read the rules, the eligibility, and all of that. I know the town has final say. I'm accepting of that. I hit yes. A copy of my responses will be emailed to the address I've provided. Oh, that's wonderful. Once all that is done, I will hit the submit button. And just like that, oh man, I wanted to say this. I can go back and edit my response, or I can submit another one. Either or, it's in your email, so no worries at all. The next thing you'll do is go to your email. So I'm going to go to my email and got some emails in here. And look, there is my application because it sent me a copy. I've done this a couple times. Thanks for filling it out. Say I still want to make some changes. I can do that here. But how I will print this is pretty simple and easy. I can go here to these 3 dots, right? And hit print. Don't worry that it has all the Google stuff or your Gmail stuff. The judges, I'm telling them to ignore that. We just need the information printed. Okay, you will print 4 copies collated because we need 4 copies we need 1 copy and there are 4 judges. Okay, but for the sake of the example, we're only printing 1. Then you will hit print. And that is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. It's very simple. You'll print the pages out. The next video, I'll show you how to put it in the page protectors.